room doors. First up, we have a fascinating series of secret room doors created by Creative Home Engineering, an American company that specializes in unique hidden passageways tailored to each client's specifications. These doors aren't just about aesthetics. They combine award-winning precision engineering with top-notch security features. Whether it's a bookcase, staircase, or even a vault door, they can do it all. What really piques my interest is the creative methods used to open these doors. Some can be opened like traditional doors, cleverly camouflaged to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Others, however, require a bit more creativity, like moving a bust or an ornament to unlock them. If you had one of these doors, what would you choose as your secret key? And what mysteries would be lurking on the other side? Actually, scratch that. I don't want to know. The secret compartment side table. Next up, let's talk about an unassuming side table that's anything but ordinary. This clever piece of furniture features an astounding number of secret compartments. Seriously, it has drawers hidden in all sorts of unexpected places. Imagine needing to hide various items. This table has you covered. Behind the main drawers, there are extra hidden spaces, a large drawer at the bottom, and smaller drawers on each side. But that's not all. There's even a small knife drawer tucked into a corner and a larger drop-down compartment from the top. Plus, a removable panel creates an extra hidey hole for any secret stash. If your lifestyle requires such extensive hiding places, this table might be your new best friend. Hidden stairs for safety. Now, here's a brilliant design that could prevent injuries and enhance safety in your home. Picture hidden stairs that seamlessly blend into the floor until you press a button. Suddenly, a staircase reveals itself. A guardrail automatically raises to prevent anyone from accidentally falling in, and the steps descend into place, locking securely for safe use. This is much more practical than having a permanent staircase in your kitchen, which can be a hazard for kids and clumsy adults alike. Plus, it makes for an awesome entrance to a game room if you're lucky enough to have one. Concealed washing machine. Are you someone who dreads doing laundry? Well, you might just love this next design by Studio Moby Dick. Concealed behind stylish wooden panels lies the washing machine, an appliance that can often clutter your space. Let's face it, a washing machine can make any area look untidy, which is ironic considering its purpose. But with this clever design, you can hide it away when it's not in use, keeping your space looking neat and tidy. Under-stair closet. We're big advocates of utilizing the space under your stairs, and this hidden closet designed by Matt Risinger is a perfect example. While it may not be completely concealed, the closet blends seamlessly into the hallway, helping to free up valuable space. Alongside it, there's a computer desk in an alcove, providing a clutter-free workspace that's both functional and stylish. Headboard storage. Let's shift our focus to the bedroom. Instead of hiding items under the bed, why not utilize your headboard? It's the last place anyone would think to look. With various locking mechanisms available, you can keep your valuables out of reach. The main panel of the headboard can be controlled remotely, while side compartments can be accessed manually and secured with a keypad or RFID system. Pretty neat, right? Royal Italian furniture. Next, feast your eyes on this ornate desk and armchair that look like they belong in a royal palace. This stunning Italian furniture piece is designed for those who might have secrets to keep. It features numerous hidden compartments for stashing documents, expensive items, and all sorts of knickknacks. The level of detail is incredible, reminiscent of those puzzle boxes that challenge you at every turn. Each drawer reveals more secrets, making it a true treasure trove of hidden storage. Even if a thief had the blueprints, it would take them ages to discover all the compartments within this exquisite furniture. Just within the chair alone, there are unexpected storage spots. And wait until you see the hidden centerpiece in the desk. It's like a Russian doll, revealing layer upon layer of secrets. The secret cinema room. Do you ever find yourself craving a quiet retreat to enjoy a game or movie in peace? If so, Let me introduce you to a game changer, the secret cinema room designed by Appa Home Renovations. With just a push of a cleverly disguised ornament, this hidden world of entertainment opens up, inviting you in for the ultimate viewing experience. Now, I know this luxury is something few adults can afford these days, but trust me, it's well worth saving up for. And just wait until you see the starlight roof. It's pure envy-inducing magic. Drawer within a drawer. Next, let's take a look at an intriguing feature, a drawer within a drawer. This design allows you to access a secure compartment behind a drop-down panel with the use of a key. While it may seem simple, this clever feature could very well keep your phone and other valuables safe from intruders. So if you're someone who values privacy, this design is definitely worth considering. Smart Space Stair Storage. Not every home has the luxury of a cabinet under the stairs, but that doesn't mean you can't maximize your space. The Smart Space Stair Storage Company from the UK is here to reclaim that under-stair space with a brilliant solution. Just look at the amount of storage available. You could stow away luggage, shoes, cat boxes, or anything else that clutters your hallway. Who knows? Maybe your friends could even live there and lend a hand when you need some stationery. The key takeaway? If you live in a small home, utilize every nook and cranny you can. Underfloor storage. Speaking of small homes, let's shift gears to a family making use of every inch available. In this tiny house, they've cleverly stored items, or even people, under the floorboards. While it's a surprising amount of space, I think this father and son might have misinterpreted the term crawl space a bit too literally, as they seem to enjoy crawling around down there. But hey, if it works for them and they're happy, then who am I to judge? Magic stairs. Ready for a little magic? Let me introduce you to the so-called magic stairs. While it might not be the best trick in the world, these automated stairs are still pretty cool. They're much easier and safer to use than having to pull them down with a pole or string. Watch as they disappear back into the floor. How cool is that? Camouflaged hidden door. Up, we have a hidden door expertly camouflaged into the surrounding brickwork. Did you spot it before it was opened? I think I'd forget where it was even if I lived there. Just imagine the awkward moments when your friends catch you pushing on the wall, trying to find the entrance to your secret den. Maybe I'll just keep that secret to myself. Motorized under-stair storage. Here's a motorized version of under-stair storage created by David Molino, similar to the system we saw earlier, but being able to access the space at the push of a button is so much more convenient. With your hands free to load or unload bulky items, it's a great way to simplify your life. Just be sure to watch your head. Hidden mirror compartments. I'm not going to lie. The following clips make me a little paranoid about my next hotel stay. I might end up pushing every button on every mirror or tile just to see if there's a secret compartment behind them. These hidden sections, installed by Maxim Nekovich, are perfect for covering up unsightly pipes or areas you might need to access later. Of course, I can't help but wonder if someone might use this technique for more sinister purposes. But who knows? Maybe I'll push on those tiles and find a donut or coffee like Maxim did. Hidden doors and stylish pantries. How many doors do you see in this space? We know there are at least 2, but there might be more lurking in the shadows. It's not just bricks that can be used to hide secret doors. This hidden room, designed by German Interior Solutions, is cleverly disguised among what looks like firewood. It's so convincing, it had me fooled. Now, let's talk about pantries. Making a pantry look stylish can be tricky, but it doesn't really matter if you can hide it completely. The owners of this house have managed to make their massive pantry look like a regular part of the kitchen. Talk about a clever design. Secret office space. By now, you might be wary of bookcases, but let's see what's hiding behind this one. Surprise! It's a lovely office space. I wouldn't mind working in a place like that. It's perfect for productivity. Rising pool table. You know those action movie scenes where the villain's plans rise from the floor out of nowhere? Wouldn't you much rather have a pool table do the same? I know I would. This homeowner clearly agreed, and what a lovely table it is. Just imagine the fun, though you'd have to make sure you don't accidentally retract the table mid-game, which could be very annoying, depending on who's winning. The way the floor pops back into position is just awesome. Movable sliding walls. Last but not least, check out these movable sliding walls by Klein USA. They remind me of the sliding walls in traditional Japanese houses and can be used to conceal or open up spaces within your home. This design offers a refreshing change from the same four walls you stare at every day.